Du coup, la quête... C'est vraiment le message ou pas? Attends. Est-ce que c'est la bonne quête que je suis? Ouais, lire le message. Alors. Nikki et Libubu de Spira. C'est qui Libubu? M'a demandé de vous contacter. Elle a trouvé une lettre à votre nom dans sa boîte aux lettres. Elle vous prie de passer au cours de danse Boom Boom lorsque vous aurez le moment afin de la remettre en main propre. C'est un personnage qu'on connaît, Libubu ou pas? Parce que j'avoue que j'en ai pas le moindre souvenir. Hop, on va remettre la bonne roue. Pardon pour vos oreilles. Après ces points rouges, j'avais pas vu. Oui. Ça. Hop. Il y a quoi là hein? Oui, le canot quotidien. Je commence à avoir un bon stock de vœux en vrai. En vrai, je pense que je vais invoquer la petite 5 étoiles. Alors, je pense que du coup, on va garder cette tenue pour la quête. Parce que j'aime bien la vibe. Je sais que de base, hier, on avait fait celle-ci aussi, je crois. Ouais. Genre, je préfère celle-là. J'ai juste enlevé le sac parce que en vrai, il est trop beau. Hein. Mais les items tenus en main, moi, j'aime pas les avoir vraiment pendant les quêtes et tout, qu'on se balade. Sur les photos, c'est joli, mais pour le reste, c'est vraiment chiant. Le jeu les gère trop mal. Pardon. La quête, elle est pas doublée. Non, mais j'ai encore Par contre, la quête, elle est pas doublée. C'est quoi cette blague? J'espère que c'est juste PNJ parce qu'en vrai, un peu flemme. Donc, 1, 2, boum boum, bonjour. Votre Excellence, vous êtes ici pour apprendre quelques pas de danse. Non, parce que tu m'as appelé. Seuls les mimicettes. J'ai pas l'habitude. C'est la première quête que je dois lire plutôt que d'écouter. Du coup, je t'ai toujours appelé les millicites. Donc c'est les mimicettes en fait. Avec un jeton rococo peuvent participer au cours de danse boom boom. Vous savez, c'est toi qui m'as invité en fait.
Hi, Ellie Boo Boo.
Ah ok donc.
I'm here for my letter.
Hop là, bon, on va passer en manuel.
Yes, welcome, Your Excellency. My, that Hilseti is really reliable. He delivered my message so quickly. Here it is. I was out giving the younger Shroomlings their dance lesson the other day when I spotted this letter on the table.
There's no contact info on the envelope, just Nikki's name. Whoever sent this sure is secretive.
I know, right? I was worried that this might be something important, so I knew I had to get in touch with you straight away.
Oh, I see. Thank you for holding on to it for me, Ellie Boo Boo. I'll take a look at it now.
Je vais monter un peu le son du jeu. Putain. Ah. Non, faut encore la lecture. Je sais pas lire en fait. C'est qu'à l'aide, c'est compliqué. Donc, invitation VIP à Idole Parfaite, célébration de la victoire. Votre Excellence, ça fait déjà un moment que vous avez aidé les mimicettes à sauver la matriarche champignon et à vaincre les docilites. Et pourtant, je n'arrive pas à oublier votre courage. Je vous admire depuis ce jour et je m'entraîne jour et nuit dans l'espoir de briller un jour autant que vous. Enfin, je peux vous adresser cette invitation, Votre Excellence. Moi, Roukoko, j'ai travaillé dur et j'ai remporté la première place du concours Idole Parfaite. Spira organise une grande fête en mon honneur. Idole Parfaite, célébration de la victoire. Ce sera le moment le plus marquant de ma vie et vous devez absolument être là pour en être témoin. Les festivités seront pleines de surprises, il y aura des attractions de rêve, une scène exceptionnelle et un spectacle spécial préparé pour l'occasion. Tout est prêt, j'attends juste que vous et sa félinance vous joigniez à moi. Votre ami fidèle, Rococo. Je sais pas c'est qui. Notre ami fidèle qu'on connaît pas.
It's an invitation to Perfect Idol Champion Celebration. Signed by Rococo.
Champion? Wow! Rococo's really improved a lot since we last saw each other.
Bon, apparemment on la connaît. Je sais pas qui
Oh, I
c'est.
see. Rococo must have written the letter. I heard she joined a show not long ago. It's been a long time since I last saw her.
C'est qui?
Speaking of which, that huge standee of hers by the Rococo stage, it's been missing for quite some time now.
Perfect Idol. Is that the name of the show? The letter said she won, and she wanted Momo and me to come celebrate with her.
I'm not sure, to be honest, but knowing Rococo, I'm not surprised to hear that she was crowned the champion. Wait a second. Why wasn't I invited?
Pas très sympa de sa part, j'avoue.
Maybe your invite's still on its way? Listen, why don't you just join us? There's nothing here that says we can't bring a +1.
Right. You can come with us, Ellie Boo Boo.
Thank you both so much. You're right, my invitation must still be on its way. I'll wait a little longer, just in case.
Non, en fait, t'es juste pas une VIP, Mago.
Besides, I still need to give the little ones their dance lesson. I should be finished here by the time my invitation arrives. I'll join you at the celebration then.
Okay. See you at the celebration.
Vous êtes en face, hein. Pourquoi vous faites... Ah ok. Bon. Qui est Rococo? Attends, est-ce qu'on l'a dans nos amis? En fait, le truc, c'est que moi, je suis nul avec les prénoms. Donc, je sais pas c'est qui, en fait. C'est qui, Rococo? Bah non. Je suis désolé, t'es pas dans ma liste d'amis. Je te connais pas. Hein.
Oh, Your Excellency. Are you here to join Lady Rococo's champion celebration too? I'm sure she'll be overjoyed to see you.
Indeed.
I am. Here's my invitation.
Huh? Your invite looks a bit different. It doesn't seem to list any of the rules for joining the celebration on it.
Parce qu'on est trop des VIP.
This was signed by Lady Rococo herself! Oh, Mother Shroom!
Ça, on est VIP, c'est ce que je dis
Is
depuis tout à l'heure.
something wrong?
On est juste trop des
Not at all.
stars.
It's just that this is the first time I've seen an invitation actually signed by Lady Rococo. This is so exciting. I should have expected Your Excellency to receive such a special honor. Oh, I'm so jealous. However, I may have to ask you to wait a little while longer. The
Pardon.
venue is being decorated as we speak. I'll take you there as soon as everything's ready.
Okay, then we'll wait here.
Je n'attends pas, moi, je suis une reine.
Your Excellency, wake up! The venue is all set. We can go in now.
Ok, donc je pense que c'est le rechargement pour que Spira devienne tout décoré. Une célébration magnifique et féerique, des acclamations aussi enthousiastes qu'inhabituelles. Célèbre-t-on les rêves, les souhaits? Mon nom, l'idole parfaite.
What? How did we get here? I was half asleep and I can't seem to remember a thing.
Don't worry about it, Nikki. Hey, are these decorations edible? It feels like all of Spira is covered in sugar.
The shroomling on that standee, is that Rococo? Wow, she's changed so much since I saw her last. I almost didn't recognize her.
She is perfect. She's the best. She can outsing all the rest. She's our idol. She shines bright. We love her with all our might. Go Rococo!
Ok. Carrément des gens de fans.
Rococo! Dang, that's a long name. How'd you come up with that?
Oh, Mother Shroom. Did you forget to dress up before coming to the celebration? How improper.
Pardon. Je suis genre grave bien fringué, je suis bien mieux fringué que vous.
Clearly states that every attendee must abide by the celebration's dress code. Lady Rococo's champion celebration needs to be absolutely perfect.
Vous avez juste un ruban sur la tête et vous êtes à poil, qu'est-ce que vous me
You
parlez?
need to wear a big shiny bow knot like this. I spent 10 whole hours carefully adjusting mine to make it truly shroom bright.
Every shroomling in this place is wearing one of those bow knots. It's kind of hard to tell them apart.
There must be a mistake.
C'est un peu
My
raciste par
invitation
contre. Hein.
doesn't say anything about a dress code.
Maman est problématique.
I wonder why she would ask everyone to dress the exact same. How is that necessary?
Et en
for
vrai,
the
j'ai un
perfect
nœud rose avec des
celebration?
perles. Hein.
I wonder.
L'harmonie et l'unité absolue sont la clé de la perfection. Pourquoi ne pas...
What just happened?
Okay.
Something just flashed by.
I didn't quite catch it either.
By the Mother Shroom, you broke the rules. This is bad.
Do excuse me, young lady. And your furry friend. Lady Rococo's champion celebration welcomes shroomlings and humans alike who hold beauty in the highest regard. However, as you can see, all attendees must follow the celebration's dress code. Please come back after you've changed into a more suitable outfit according to your invitation's instructions.
Ça pue. Déjà, ça c'est les méchants, hein. On se sait. Et quand, en fait, on vient pas de faire toute une quête où justement t'avais les docilis qui étaient en mode ouais, règle hyper bizarre de faut faire ci, faut faire ça, faut faire ci, comme ci, comme ça. Pour que la suite ce soit. Bah, en fait, faut faire ci, faut faire ci, faut faire ci, comme ci, comme ça. What? C'est quoi le problème? Ils apprennent pas.
But our invitation doesn't have any rules written on it. Look.
Oui, I'm that bitch.
Oh, I didn't realize. You were invited by Lady Rococo personally. Do accept my apologies.
Par contre, ce twink, on en parle.
Lady Rococo herself.
J'entends pas les rageux, et j'entends pas les jaloux.
I'm Avenita, the celebration's planning director. You must be rather close to Lady Rococo if she extended an invitation to you personally. Nevertheless, we still ask that you comply with our dress code to ensure all attendees have the most perfect experience
Mais
imaginable
il est lui-même pas
at
dans
the
le dress code.
celebration. The Shroom Charmer Makeover Center has a dedicated changing area. The staff there can help you be more celebration compliant.
Shroom Charmer. Got it. Thank you for your help. We'll head over there in a bit.
Avez-vous réussi à vous améliorer aujourd'hui? Règle d'unité. Le nœud éclatant, le grand et magnifique champichape, la beauté n'a qu'une seule réponse. Suivez la seule vraie lumière pour toucher à l'essence même de la perfection. Ok. Un peu fâché sur les bords. Mais s'ils veulent, hein, vas-y.
Nikki, I don't think the shroomlings here recognize us. And why are they acting so weird?
Not every shroomling knows who we are, Momo. Besides, these are Rococo's loyal fans. It's only natural for them to be extra excited at a celebration that's all about her. But something is bugging me. The Rococo I know always encourages others to find their own color. Why would there be a dress code at her event?
You're right. This is all so confusing.
Trop beau.
Oh, why don't we go check out that Shroom Charmer Makeover Center? Maybe we'll learn something over there.
Ok, mais... Ouais, ok, c'est bien ce que je pensais, on n'est pas dans... Non, c'est une sorte de... C'est Spira, mais c'est Spira à côté, quoi. C'est pas la même instance. Mais il y a pas de téléporteur. Et... Ah oui, ok, c'est pas... C'est pas tout Spira qui a été changé. C'est juste une petite partie de la ville. En vrai, c'est déjà cool, hein. Je pense que c'est la première fois qu'ils font ça et franchement, j'adore. C'est genre trop beau. Et franchement, c'est grave cool qu'on ait eu cette robe hier parce que elle va trop bien avec le thème. J'ai natif. C'est bon. Plus de points rouges, tout va bien.
Shroom! Such a beautiful face, full of potential.
Shroom, what a perfect candidate for a shroomy makeover.
Get ready to meet your most beautiful self.
C'est déjà moi.
You'll be handsome, beautiful, and charming.
Pour parler au futur.
Welcome to the Shroom Charmer Makeover Center. Judging by the look on your face, human girl, you were sent by Avenita to receive the perfect makeover. Is that right?
Your outfits really are a sad sight, don't you think? You're easily 100 shrooms.
Mais elle est
away
trop
from
cute maintenue,
perfection.
wesh. Et encore une fois, votre tenue c'est littéralement un collier.
My dear,
Et vous avez le
spin
galère.
once for me, won't you? My sharp eyes will be able to tell your measurements with a single glance.
Je suis trop fraîche, arrêtez. Même Momo est trop frais.
Let me try.
Il est grave bien
I
fringué.
see. What astounding density. You're barely half as tall as a shroomling, yet your weight is that of two combined.
Huh? That can't be right.
C'est partout. Ok, on a la Fashion Week en fait.
I must weigh as much as several shroomlings combined, right?
We have different standards for our human audiences. Observe.
Donc en plus ils sont
Goodness.
racistes.
A girl like you should be about a fifth the width of a shroomling. You're nearly half as wide.
Huh? A fifth of the width?
Not only are you a bit wide, but your outfit isn't too dazzling either. Not to worry. We'll fix you right up.
Hold on. Aren't your standards a little too strict? I've been thinking I need to get stronger so I can be more accurate and steady when using my bow.
C'est ça.
And isn't clothing supposed to
Woman's
let
world.
someone express who they truly are?
Nikki's right. I don't care if she doesn't meet your
On a vraiment dit là, hein, c'est pas possible là ce
There's
qui
no
se
such
passe.
thing as being totally perfect.
La version a un prix pour briller, il faut faire des sacrifices. Pourquoi ne pas accepter cette vérité? Mais putain, mais je suis Eminem ou je suis pas Eminem?
Shroom, rules are rules. If you want to be perfect, you have to comply with every single one of them. I mean, you've broken the rules and look where that's gotten you.
Donc, visiblement, tout le monde fait des grands signes ici, c'est très bizarre.
I can't believe Mr. Avenita didn't just take you away. Looks like I'm stuck dressing you up super shroom perfect.
If only So Fine were here to make a shroom hat to cover some of your imperfections. What a shame.
This is starting to feel like some kind of secret plot by the Docilists to make a comeback.
Sans déconner.
I'm not so sure. If the Docilists hosted a huge celebration for a popular idol like Rococo, they'd be exposed pretty quickly, don't you think? Let's look around a bit longer and see if anything happens. Alright, you've sold me. I'm ready to meet my most perfect self.
I'm glad you came around. Let me think. The shroom perfect training is a must. Add in the whoosh slide and you'll basically be ready. Come back to us once you've done all that.
La question c'est comment Nikki peut maigrir.
Given your current state, I'm not sure a crash course will be effective enough. I'll ask the makeup artist to find you the biggest bow knots we have and some glitter, just in case.
Il n'y avait pas la joie de vivre lui plutôt. Règle de perfection. La grâce naît de la discipline. Seule une esthétique unifiée peut être considérée comme la vérité. acceptez-le, cultivez cette approche, et la perfection viendra à vous. Non. Bon, quelque chose me dit, c'est un peu subtil, mais qu'ils sont en train de critiquer le système des idoles au Japon. Peut-être, c'est un peu subtil je trouve, mais... Enfin. Donc on va aller en haut du truc, mais... Quand j'aime trop le remix qu'ils ont fait de la musique de base.
Why not give the Woosh slide a
Salon.
try? Wait, Miss, why's your outfit different from everyone else's?
Parce que je suis habillé
Little
peut-être.
Shroomling, do you know why everyone has to dress the same to join the celebration? I remember my elder shroom said that all shroomlings must dress the way Lady Rococo likes. That's the only way Lady Rococo can be happy, and the celebration can be shroomtastic. I don't really get it though. I do love a bow knot, though I wish they came in more colors, to be honest. My favorite is light green, but my elder shroom wouldn't let me wear that one. My elder shroom also said that sliding down the slide makes you beautiful. I don't know if playing on the slide has made me beautiful, but it sure has made me happy. Miss, are happiness and beauty the same thing? Of course. It doesn't matter if you're a human or a shroomling.
Non.
There's nothing more beautiful than happiness.
Ah ok, j'ai pas dû comprendre.
Wow, in that case, I must be pretty beautiful. Thank you, miss. Go on ahead. Let's both be
Allez, nouveau perso
beautiful
préféré.
together.
C'est trop mignon. Ok, donc pendant la glissade, déplacez-vous de gauche à droite, bon ça c'est comme de base. Les baies rubis. Pour récolter les baies rubis et éviter les baies boom. Ne manquez surtout pas la super baie scintillante, leurs effets sont aussi surprenants que puissants. Lorsque votre sac est plein, vous entrez instantanément en frénésie de baies. Dans cet état, les baies boom n'ont plus aucun effet pendant la glissade. Et toutes les baies rubis se mettent à scintiller, doublant la cote. Donc on a une étoile. Ramassez suffisamment de baies rubis avant la fin pour réussir le défi. Ok. En tout cas, j'adore le relooking. Pas de moi, hein, de... Ah bah super. Mais... On va trop vite pour les esquiver, j'ai l'impression. Ah merde! Ah. Basse l'œil. C'est pas très compliqué.
Awesome, miss! You've mastered the sliding technique already. I'll definitely need more practice if I want to be even. My elder shroom told me to give a copy of Lady Rococo's How to Dazzle to everyone who masters the whoosh slide. Here, take one.
Ça fait beaucoup.
My elder shroom said that as long as you follow Lady Rococo's words, you'll become beautiful. I hope you'll always be beautiful and happy, miss.
On va pas lire. J'ai clairement la flemme. Très bien. S'il y a un point de téléportation. C'est le seul. Ah mais comme j'avais déjà débloqué. Il y a pas tout décoré en fait. Mais c'est bizarre parce que... Ok en fait oui donc la carte c'est vraiment juste ça. Il y a ça sur la carte mais c'est même pas accessible. mince.
Welcome to Shroom Perfect class. Oh, Mother Shroom, how can such an elegant human girl dress so dull and plain? Ah, I suppose you've yet to master the basics of Shroom Perfect style. After today, I guarantee you'll be super Shroom bright and super Shroom perfect.
Mais je le suis déjà en fait.
So, what counts as Super Shroom Perfect?
I like an ambitious human like you. Super Shroom Perfect means perfectly shroomy. And a perfectly shroomy shroomling catches the eye of everyone they come across. It's that simple. I know you just explained everything, but all that did was confuse us even more. I know it can be a bit confusing. As long as you answer every question in class correctly, you'll be able to understand the true meaning of perfection. Classes are available all day long. We can get started whenever you're ready.
No problem. I'm ready to answer the questions.
To become Shroom Perfect, it's crucial that you strictly adhere to the rules of the celebration. From the way you dress to the way you act, you must conform to our standard of absolute uniformity. All right, here's your first question. Which of the following is the core standard of Shroom Perfect style?
Wearing sparkly pink bow knots.
That is part of the rules, but not the core standard. Try again.
Ouais.
Adhering to the celebration
Pensez assez bien
rules.
quelle est la bonne réponse.
Yes, that's exactly right. It seems like you've been paying attention. Keep it up. In order to embody perfection during the celebration, one needs both a slender figure and a look that's truly shroom bright. The bow knot is essential, of course. You can also find a custom shroom hat if you're unable to wear a bow knot. Next question. What does one need to become the perfect celebration attendee?
Un nœud ou un champi-chapeau.
A slender figure in the perfect shroom hat, right?
Shroomtastic! That's correct. Either
Wow.
a bow knot or a shroom
intelligent, en
hat
fait.
would be perfect for a human looking to join the celebration. Let's continue. I can't believe we're already at the last question. Remember, this is the most crucial of them all, so be sure to pay extra attention.
Calm focus.
Lady Rococo revealed to us the true meaning of beauty. It is the duty of each and every one of us to follow and cherish her. We must always hold ourselves to her standards. Nothing is more important than making Lady Rococo happy.
Pas du tout un culte en tout cas.
Now your final question. What is the purpose of everything we do, both as shroomlings and as humans?
Rendre Coucou heureuse.
To make Rococo happy.
Correct, my dear. Congratulations, you got everything right. Making Lady Rococo happy is the most important duty for all of us. You must always keep that in mind. You're a fast learner. It's been a long time since I've met a human as talented and hardworking as you are. Here, a trophy to commemorate your perfect score.
Thank you. But there's still
ouais,
something
dire
I
ce que
don't
les gens
quite
veulent entendre.
understand. Why does everyone keep talking about making Rococo happy? The champion celebration is starting soon. Is Lady Rococo not happy?
Well, to be honest, I haven't seen Lady Rococo in a while. But if you ask me, she has to be happy. How could she not be, now that she's become the perfect idol? We follow her and cherish her like this because we want her to be even happier.
Oh, I see.
Well, congratulations on passing the test. Remember to dress up nicely at the Shroom Charmer Makeover Center. Soon you'll be just as perfect as everyone else. Nikki, do you think we should go look around or head back to the celebration guide? The celebration hasn't started yet. We should be fine as long as we're careful.
Moi, ma théorie, c'est que Rococo n'est pas parti en couille. Je sais pas c'est qui, hein, je sais plus c'est qui. Mais soit c'est un truc en mode les dossalistes, la manipule, machin de les chouettes. Mais je pense qu'il y a un délire de. En fait, les fans interprètent mal tout ce qu'elle dit. Et Et ça part en couille, et du coup elle est pas contente.
We finished the tasks you gave us. We went down the whoosh slide and got a perfect score on the test. This copy of How to Dazzle and this trophy are our proof.
You even got the trophy! You're really good, human girl!
However, my extra sharp eyes see no improvement thus far. Looks like your little last-minute crash course was no help after all.
What? Do we have to do it all
Joie de
over
vivre, lui.
again?
No need. We've prepared the biggest bow knots and 2 bucketfuls of glitter in advance. That should be enough to make you shroom perfect.
Oh yeah? Let's just see how shroom perfect this really is.
Well, this outfit isn't very eye-catching.
And this figure isn't as slim as it should be. That cat creature's fur looks like straw.
But we're professionals. You can be the most imperfect duo in the whole wide world. We'll still be able to make you super shroom bright and super shroom perfect. Go!
Je suis déjà plus que vous. Bon les gars, du coup ça va être la tenue 5 étoiles de la saison. Les ballons.
It's all over. We failed to make everyone as beautiful as possible. We've betrayed Lady Rococo's request. What should we do? What if this affects the celebration and makes Lady Rococo unhappy?
Maintenant que le truc à gauche c'est dégueulasse là.
Have to.
Mais apparemment on est moche.
Hold on a moment. This is all pretty strange, don't you think? These bow knots are clearly the wrong size, yet you still tried to force them on. Clothes are meant to fit people, not the other way around.
Nikki's right. And what's the matter with my fur? Huh? This is my natural color. Your glitter's the real problem around here.
Don't you see how ridiculous this all is? You're making everyone conform to the same standards, and even forcing them to be unhealthily thin. Have you forgotten? Rococo always encourages everyone to find their own color. What you're doing here is against everything she stands for. Is this really what Rococo wants? Do you think she'll be happy when she sees all of this?
Tout ce qui brille s'épanouit grâce à elle, tout ce qui est parfait devient grâce à elle. Je pourrais jamais les lire.
You've broken the rules. If you break the rules, then you'll disappear. You'll...
Disappear?
I'll always be Lady Rococo's most loyal tailor. I'll come up with the best room hat designs for her and all of her followers.
Stop yelling! Behave yourself!
Stop poking me then! I can walk just fine!
Quiet,
Tout le
both
monde
of
est
you.
très heureux en tout cas ici,
Punishment would be
visiblement.
over by now if you weren't making a scene.
It's Avenida!
It's so fine.
Ha! Looks like he's getting punished for breaking the rules again. Let's check it out.
Come on, hurry up.
Et-
I swear I'll never get tired of his silly stunts.
Ok, bah, c'est bienveillant ici en tout cas. Hein.
Hey, don't go! We're not done talking here. The Shroomlings are acting really strange. It's like they don't understand what we're saying. Like, all they care about is rules, rules, rules.
How could one celebration make everyone change so much? That Shroomling said something about disappearing. Does breaking the rules really make you disappear? This is all so strange. For our sake, and the sake of the Shroomlings, we've got to figure out the root cause of all this. So fine. The tailor we saw outside didn't seem affected by the rules. Maybe he knows more about whatever's going on here.
Qui?
He makes shroom hats, and we're in need of a suitable outfit for snooping around. Maybe asking him for help could solve all of our problems, huh?
You're a sharp one, Momo.
Règle de dévotion, suivez et protégez toujours Rococo, chérissez chaque once de son éclat et ne laissez place à aucun doute ni à aucune critique. Rococo est l'incarnation de la perfection, son bonheur est la raison d'être des Mimicette. Je ne toujours pas à le dire. Toute beauté est définie par elle, toute splendeur s'épanouit grâce à elle. Décidément, ils en ont une belle ici. Le casque.
Nikki, look at that booklet over there.
Par contre, en vrai, on dirait vraiment la quête de leur point de foi, hein, avec ce truc de former au moule et que les gens ne sont pas comme ils veulent.
Is this his 12th, 13th, or 15th offense? My goodness. So Fine has been punished more times than I've had Shroomberry nectar this month. If it weren't for his skill at making accessories, he would have disappeared just like everyone else who's broken the rules.
We were right on, Nikki.
Pourquoi tu dis ça avec un sourire?
Without a trace just for breaking a few rules? That seems pretty harsh, doesn't it? Why would Rococo allow such rules to exist?
These rules exist to make us and Lady Rococo better and happier, and to make the celebration more successful. Whoa, what kind of look is that? Be careful! I wouldn't want you to get arrested like So Fine. Wait, no! He was caught mainly because he refused to supply pink bowknots to the Shroom Charmer Makeover Center yet again. On top of that, yesterday he made loads of accessories in all sorts of styles and colors. The day before that, he preached about variety and styling, and the day before that...
I think he's just talking to himself at this point. Nikki, let's go.
Globalement, ça va être notre allié, ce mec, je pense. Alors...
Hello?
Oh, en vrai, j'adore lui.
Excuse me.
Trop stylé.
Human girl? I haven't seen you around. All celebration attendees must follow the dress code.
Bah, tu le suis pas.
Humans are no exception.
The staff who were supposed to help me dress up all came over to watch the punishment. So I just tagged along.
Oh, that's all right. You can get dressed up after the punishment's over. I mean, we're all just one big family here to celebrate Lady Rococo. Take it from me. Try your best to follow Lady Rococo's example. Don't be like this guy. Speaking of which, would you like to join the Rococo fan club? We can witness Lady Rococo become super Shroom Bright together!
Ça sera sans moi.
I still haven't quite wrapped my head around this whole situation. I need some time to think about it.
Of course! No problem! You can join anytime, as long as you're a devoted supporter of Rococo.
Bah moi je sais pas, donc... Je sais toujours pas c'est qui, en fait. En tout cas, vraiment, ils sont tous très heureux de suivre ce punissement public. Je sais pas ce que c'est, ils vont sûrement le fouetter, le pauvre.
Shroom Bright Rococo. Shroom Perfect Rococo. No one will know that I... No one... What are you mumbling about? No one will know what? Your Excellency... I believe Avenida went too soft on So Fine. He should have been strung up and left dangling from a zipline as punishment. Hey, you recognized Nikki just now, didn't you?
Bah oui, c'est ce qu'on veut dire.
No, absolutely not. How could I have recognized Her Excellency?
Don't be nervous.
I
just want to know what's going on around here. I won't force you to talk if it's too hard for you.
No. No one has ever forced me into anything. I'm following Lady Rococo out of my own free will. Rococo, where did you go? What do you mean? Is Rococo not here? I don't know either. It's hard to keep track of time here. All I can remember is that I received a celebration invitation a while back. Next thing I knew, I was here. It was strange. It didn't even look like the Spira I knew. Everything was covered in sweet, sugary decorations.
Have you not seen Rococo once since then?
Not once. This guy, Avenida, nobody had ever seen him before, was going around managing everything, telling us that Rococo was too busy preparing for her performance to talk to anyone. He said we should just focus on doing our best to make her happy. Everyone believed him right away and started dressing in pink, cutesy colors, just like he said. Soon everyone looked almost exactly the same. Anyone who didn't do what he said was taken away. You're here because you were invited too, right, Your Excellency? I guess the show will start soon, and once it's over, everything will just go back to normal. I think the cards are looking this way. Your Excellency, let's support Rococo together. We'll work hard to follow Rococo's guidance and achieve ultimate beauty. You should do the same, Your Excellency, so you won't disappear.
Bah, c'est la joie.
Arrested? On what grounds? I'm Lady
J'adore ses lunettes, il est
Rococo's
trop
most loyal
cute.
tailor.
Oh, please. Her most loyal tailor? You just refused to supply the Shroom Charmer Makeover Center with unified accessories. You call that loyalty? Do I look like I was born yesterday?
Bah, en vrai,
Please
oui, un peu.
excuse the commotion. We didn't mean to disturb our most esteemed guests. The Shroom Charmer Makeover Center should have ample makeup and outfits in stock. Why aren't you complying with the celebration's dress code, young lady?
Nothing at the Shroom Charmer Makeover Center fit us. We tried our best, but we just couldn't squeeze into our outfits.
Your esteemed guest, please let me help. I'm Lady Rococo's most loyal tailor. I make the most beautiful shroom hats. I can have one custom made for you.
That's great. With his tailor-made shroom hats, Momo and I will become as beautiful as everyone else here. I feel awful that we can't follow the celebration's dress code, especially since Rococo personally invited us.
You two work at the Shroom Charmer Makeover Center, right? Has our esteemed guest told us the truth?
Yes, we brought out the largest bow knots we had, but they didn't fit.
Comment un nœud pour
Not only
cheveux
that,
peut pas...
they knocked over my glitter. It was the same model used by Lady Rococo.
If that's the case, then we have no other options. Miss Nikki is Lady Rococo's esteemed guest, yet we failed to treat her with due hospitality. Guards, release him. Labobo, today you owe your freedom to our esteemed guest. Use it to make a shroom hat for Miss Nikki. Make it your best, and don't get any funny ideas.
Bobo?
Okay, I got it. I'll work hard to make a shroom hat for her, our esteemed guest. Please, rest assured. This way, don't mind them. We'll talk about our headwear over there.
Bon. Très clairement, le fascisme, on va être bien d'accord. Selon ma petite investigation personnelle, je dirais que Avenida est le méchant, qu'il a enfermé Rococo quelque part, genre dans le genre que il est fou. Et par contre, je pense qu'en fait les gens sont brainwash, sauf du coup les deux à qui on a parlé. En fait, les gens ne nous reconnaissent pas. Sauf les deux qui nous ont reconnus, et les deux qui sont reconnus n'ont pas l'air très heureux de Chris. Donc je pense que c'est un truc dans ce style. Genre de lavage de cerveau et que eux ils sont...
Your Excellency, thank you so much. If you weren't there, they would have punished me again today.
De rien.
Oh, you recognize us. That makes things much easier. So, is your name Sofine or Labobo?
Call me Labobo. So Fine is just a nickname people gave me because I'm such a good tailor. Great name, right?
Peut-être.
It looks like you've already been to the makeover center. My apologies. I should have gone to pick you up earlier.
Pick us up?
Yes. After all, I was the one who sent you the invitation. Of course I should have been the one to pick you up as well.
So, it was you. No wonder our invitation said nothing about any rules.
On n'est pas
But why
invité
did you
par
send the
la star.
invitation in Rococo's name?
That's a long story. We can't talk here. Come to my workshop. We can chat more there. If we get a moment, I'd like to introduce you to my good friend Solili. I'm sure she'll be glad to meet your excellency and your meowliness.
Sounds like you know how to keep a low profile. How did you still get caught so many times?
There's a saying, your meowliness. If you walk too often by the river, your feet will get wet. I suppose the water here is particularly deep. I'm in up to my knees by now.
You sure love beating around the bush. Nikki, let's head to Labobo's workshop.
Ok, attends. Il y a un autre humain. Moche, on va pas se mentir, la tenue. Apparemment on est mal fringué.
This is a great setup you've got here.
Of course. I'm so fine. The best tailor in Spira. It's a shame that Spira became what it is. Your Excellency, you must have seen it too. I'd like to ask you to help us one more time. Save Spira. Save us all.
Something very strange is going on in town. There's no doubt about that. But Momo and I still can't figure it out. This celebration was meant to make everyone happy. So what happened?
The original celebration didn't start out like this. Both Shroomlings and humans found the rules odd, but they were a lot more lenient back then. You only needed to follow them if you found them acceptable. Otherwise, you could just do as you please. I didn't have a strong opinion on it, until Solili said, "Beauty lies in freedom. No Shroomling should be restricted. We're passionate and brave and should dare to be beautifully different."
That's pretty powerful. Your friend's a visionary.
I think so too. That's why I decided to join her in urging Avenida to change the rules. At first, the Shroomlings were in full support of the changes, but pretty soon, Avenida announced even stricter rules. One of them banned anyone from having any contact with Solili. Solili started to distance herself from the other Shroomlings after that. She wanted to protect everyone, so she locked herself away. It was around that time that Shroomlings started to disappear if they broke the rules.
So that's what happened. But why did Avenida single out Solili? What was he...
Hey, I heard that. Who said my name?
Slay.
Solili!
Elle est bien
I
fringuée.
knew I saw you back there. I'm so glad you popped by. Allow me to introduce you. Solili, meet Her Excellency and his meowliness. They helped the Shroomlings expose the Dosla scheme. Your Excellency, meet Solili. She's the friend I told you about. There's not a Shroomling alive who can outperform her. Just wait until she works her magic.
It's you! You were the one giggling at the Shroom Charmer Makeover Center, weren't you? I remember your cloak.
You saw me. Looks like I need to be a little more stealthy next time. And more discreet with my giggles.
What? Is that true, Solili? Why were you following Her Excellency and his meowliness?
Please, did you see what they were wearing? Come on, anybody would be curious. I just had to meet the person who was invited by Rococo herself. If I weren't trying so hard to avoid Avenida, I would have gone to your workshop first and hidden behind the door to give you a good jump scare.
You knew all along? I wouldn't have done it if I had other options. Her Excellency didn't know about us, but the name of our champion Rococo would definitely draw her attention. This place is getting stranger by the day. Only Her Excellency.
Labobo, didn't you promise Her Excellency that you'd make her a shroom hat?
Oh yes, I'll get right on it. Once it's done, you'll be able to walk around freely with your new shroom hat, Your Excellency.
Thank you. Everyone's told me how skilled you are, and I can't wait to see it for myself.
Pas changer de chapeau, il est trop beau lui.
Why don't you help me, Your Excellency? I've heard you're an incredible stylist, so maybe we could work together to make a super awesome shroom hat. What do you say?
No problem.
Pas si fort que
I'll
ça, du
help
coup,
you.
visiblement. Ça part notre aide.
To be honest, I don't know a lot about idol culture or performing. I prefer to spend my time on crafting. I'm really passionate about making incredible works of wearable art, you know? I'm honored to make you this shroom hat, Your Excellency. I prepared some fabrics, but I'm not sure which one to use. Why don't you help me pick one out for you?
Rose.
No problem. I'll take a look.
All right, all the options I have are in this photo. Pick the one that suits you best.
Ok. Quand on va pas pouvoir le personnaliser, clairement.
How is it? Is it comfortable? Does it fit well?
It's very comfortable. The size is just right too. But it looks
pas
totally
poitrine.
different from the shroom hats I've seen around. Do you think it'll work?
It shouldn't be a problem. So Lily, what are you standing there for? It's go time!
I don't make hats, so what do you need me for?
There you go again. The situation in town is getting weirder and weirder. Who knows what'll happen if things keep going like this? We can't wait any longer.
Labobo, we've been over this. We can't drag any more shroomlings or humans into this. Why won't you listen to me?
That's precisely why I got Her Excellency involved. The two of us can't pull this off alone. We need Her Excellency's help. You're so worried about dragging others into this that you're not thinking about yourself. Do you want to keep hiding forever?
Actually, we saw how strange things have gotten here, so we were already planning to investigate on our own. Why don't we work together?
Chelou, motif.
All right, a beautiful shroom hat and a big, exquisite bow knot. My job here is done. Good luck on your mission.
Am I missing something? I don't see the shroom hat or the bow knot anywhere.
Only smart humans and shroomlings can see them. She loved saying that. Her specialty is creating disguises only others can see. She can't really alter how you look.
Slay.
So,
fois, je continue à avoir
in
ma
the
belle
eyes of all
tenue.
the other shroomlings and humans, it'll look like you're wearing the same shroom hat as everyone else.
So Lily's worried about people around her getting hurt. That's why she doesn't want us taking any risks. If we can figure out what actually happened, I'm confident that all of these problems can be solved.
It's all because of this stupid celebration. Sometimes I wish Rococo had never gone on that show. If she hadn't gone, she wouldn't have won. If she hadn't won, there wouldn't have been a celebration. If there hadn't been a celebration, we wouldn't have gotten into all this mess.
Oh, that reminds me. I actually read some promotional booklets about her performance on that show, Perfect Idol. The article said she was criticized for not meeting their perfect standard and faced elimination, even after she tried to change herself. Labobo, do you know how she won?
I'm not sure. We were all surprised, to be honest. We hadn't heard anything at all until suddenly we were all invited to celebrate her victory with her.
On va dire qu'il y a vraiment des survival shows
Wait, you
dans
read
l'univers
about
des
Rococo winning through the invites? What a weird way to tell everyone. No wonder Ellie Boo Boo felt completely out of the loop.
If that's how it happened, we'll need to find out how Rococo really won. That way we can figure out how this celebration came together. Also, have you noticed that Avenita's new rules are almost exactly the ones that Rococo had to follow on the show?
Huh? Why would you let Avenita hold everyone to those same standards when she was treated so unfairly? None of this makes any sense.
D'accord.
And why would Avenita choose to single out Solili? What was he so afraid of? Maybe he thought that she might ruin his plan. I think the answers to all these questions lie in what Rococo experienced during her time on the show.
Got it. So if we want to solve this whole celebration mess, we need to learn everything we can about the show.
Okay.
Aha! Patacici! She's Rococo's most loyal fan. She created a promotional booth packed with info about Rococo. Right now, she seems really focused on recruiting new fans. Maybe if you play along with her and join the fan club, she might tell you a thing or two.
Got it. Momo and I are on it.
Ok, donc on va devoir rejoindre ce fan club quand il se passe. Ouais, j'ai ce chapeau. Très content, vraiment. Mais en tout cas, c'est trop beau. Genre, j'allais dire un truc en mode, j'aimerais bien vivre là-bas même si c'est pour suivre ces règles de merde. En vrai un peu. Ils sont beaux.
If I'm remembering correctly, you were in a pretty strange outfit the last time I saw you. But look at you now! What a beautiful shroom hat! It's the most delicate, shiniest, shroom-perfect shroom hat I've ever seen!
Donc elle aime le truc moche qu'ils m'ont donné, mais pas cette magnifique tenue.
Awesome! I really want to see what this hat looks like.
Ahem. So, with a beautiful shroom hat like this, can I join the Rococo fan club now? I want to be a super fan like you guys.
Of course, of course! Though I do remember seeing you hesitate last time. That can't happen again. As the leader of the club, it's my job to make sure every member is fully devoted to Lady Rococo. Now, say our fan chant out loud with me and show your determination.
No problem.
Bow not sway, shroom hats rock. We're Rococo's faithful flock.
Shroom hats rock, bow knots sway, each one pretty in their own way.
Incorrect! You're not supposed to emphasize other shroomlings. That's not how you show your unwavering support for Rococo.
I'm ready to show my determination.
Wow, you're committed! Bow not sway, shroom...
Bow knots sway, shroom hats rock. We're Rococo's faithful flock.
Shroomy and powerful. Now on to the second part. We aspire for Rococo's grace, unified in mind and taste.
We aspire for Rococo's grace, unified in mind and taste.
Yes, shroom perfect. Here's the last part. Happiness is Rococo's smiles, shining light on future styles.
Happiness is Rococo's smiles, shining light on future styles.
You nailed it! I can tell you're a super determined fan. Lady Rococo's going to love that about you. Shroom-tastic! Congratulations on officially joining the Rococo fan club! As your leader, you may call me Patacici Rococo Forever! You should give yourself a fan name, too! It's a crucial step in our initiation process. It symbolizes our eternal devotion to Lady Rococo.
Okay. Then I'll be Nikki, Rococo rules. How's that?
You're full of surprises. You could make it even better by adding in Angelina Kaleidostar, but I'm really happy with what you came up with.
Then, could you tell me more about Rococo? I'm just such a big fan. I want to learn everything about her.
Well, twist my arm. Let's start with our great Angelina Kaleidostar Rococo's journey to Perfect Idol. Yes, exactly what we want to hear. Lady Angelina Kaleidostar Rococo went on Perfect Idol determined to show us all the true meaning of beauty. She won that championship through consistent hard work and determination. But what mattered most to her was everyone back home in Spira. After the show, she came home and brought the gift of beauty to us all. The production team was moved by her story and decided to hold the Perfect Idol Champion celebration right here in Spira.
Oh, what a touching story. But I heard that Rococo ran into a lot of controversy on the show. How did she become champion?
Most people just see an incredible idol, but you care enough to learn about all she's gone through? Oh, you're bringing tears to my eyes. Oh, here, let's go to the promotional booth. I keep a ton of important info about Rococo there. Besides, I treat every new member to a piece of her favorite cake, and you're no exception.
Okay.
There's cake too? Nikki, let's go with her.
Momo, we're after more info, not cake, silly.
C'est du gâteau. J'ai faim en plus.
This way, our club's promotional booth is right up ahead.
Ah, bouge ton cul.
Here's everything you'll need to learn about Lady Rococo. Brochures, interview transcripts, posters, stickers. There's just so much, I can't keep track.
Je sens qu'on va devoir tout se rappeler.
Please, browse as much as you'd like. My greatest wish is for everyone to learn more about her, to fall for her just like I did. That way we'll all get to witness her hard work and brilliance together.
Wow, you really seem to like her. Don't worry, we can't wait to take a look at everything here and learn more about Rococo's incredible story.
Shroomtastic! Oh, take your time. I'm going to whip up Rococo's favorite sweet cake to celebrate you joining the club.
Alors, qu'est-ce qu'on va avoir?
There are two different schedules. Looks like one of them is from before Rococo went on the show, and the other is from after her appearance. Wow, that second one looks so strict. Training all day long? I wouldn't last a day with a routine like that.
Yeah, and look at all these dietary restrictions. They schedule their photo shoots during meal times. And wait, only desserts provided by sponsors were allowed?
Looks like Rococo followed this schedule every single day when she was on the show. But the last part is scribbled out. I wonder what it says.
Cette partie-là. Hop.
Look, Momo. This part is about the ceremonial outfit given to the champion. It's styled like a pastry chef's uniform.
Just looking at it is making me hungry. The design's so sweet and cool at the same time. I feel like it clashes with all the pink, cutesy celebration decorations.
À l'issue des auditions ouvertes, l'équipe de Parfaite a dévoilé une robe d'énergie sur mesure pour la championne cette saison, afin de susciter l'attente avant la compétition officielle. Hein? Comment ça, avant la compétition officielle alors que c'est... Quand elle est championne? Bien que seule une partie ait été révélée, son design unique a immédiatement fait sensation, enflammant les discussions, tant chez les fans que chez les critiques de mode. Mystère et anticipation, un duo qui fait mouche. On rapporte cette robe... Voilà. Certainement qu'elle est très bien cette robe.
Look at this painting. It has so many decorations stuck to it that I can barely make out who it's of.
If I had to take a wild guess, I'd say it's probably Rococo.
You're probably right. Look over there. That accessory looks like something Rococo wore all the time. But I don't think she was wearing it on the big standee by the stage. I think that's everything. Beyond learning that the champion's outfit clashed with the stage decor, we didn't really get any useful info.
Okay.
Weird. Did we miss something? Ah! Nikki, over there! Did you see that? I think that thing on the table over there moved on its own!
What thing on the table? Wait, has this entrance been there the whole time?
I'm not sure. I didn't notice it. But didn't the Shroomling King get sucked into one of these before? Do you think those show materials got sucked into this one?
It's very possible. Let's go check it out.
C'est vraiment les premiers du gâteau, il n'y en a pas. Je vais me prendre. Mode tous ensemble, Nick. Ah ok. Donc c'est comme les niveaux d'avant, juste maintenant. Ouais. C'est vraiment très dur.
Wait, Nikki, look at this newspaper clipping on the ground. I think it fell out of this old handbag.
It's a report on the show. The highly controversial Shroomling contestant did not make the cut for the next round of competition. Despite her dazzling smile on stage, Rococo couldn't help but show a hint of dejection as she made her exit. What does her future hold after her elimination?
Elle n'a pas gagné.
Huh? Elimination? Does that mean Rococo lost? Come on, we gotta keep reading.
The popular show Perfect Idol comes under fire after a shocking scandal is brought to light. As it stands, authorities have ordered the show to cease production immediately. The show was cancelled?
Okay.
What? Not only did Rococo not win, but the show was cancelled too? What's the celebration about then? The Shroomlings are chanting, Lady Rococo, like pull-string dolls, and Avenita's catching rogue Shroomlings left and right. This doesn't make any sense.
En effet.
Avenita. Right, Avenita. If we managed to figure out the show was cancelled, then Avenita has to know too. He's the event organizer.
Then why is he doing all this? What does he have to gain from holding a massive celebration for Rococo? This is...
Nikki, Rococo rules! Your cake is ready to enjoy!
Ah, le gâteau.
Come on over and have some!
Let's talk about this later, Momo. We just have to act like nothing happened, or else we'll blow our cover.
Don't worry, Nikki.
My! You were over there for quite a while. Can't say I blame you, though. Lady Rococo's stories have a way of making you lose track of time.
Yes, that's right. Nikki and I were so immersed in Rococo's stories that we just couldn't stop reading.
Wow, you two must be big fans of Lady Rococo. Speaking Of which here, Lady Rococo's favorite cake. It's pretty shroomtastic if I do say so
C'est quand même
myself.
vachement l'air de la glace. Hein.
It looks so delicate and so tempting.
I know, right? The first time Lady Rococo tried it, she broke out into a passionate dance and just couldn't stop. And the best part? I substituted some ingredients to make this cake basically calorie-free in honor of Lady Rococo's pursuit of beauty. Now you can enjoy as much as you'd like, completely guilt-free.
Des fraises, ça va pas être calorie-free.
You must have made this cake from scratch, right?
Of course! Lady Rococo taught me how to make it. It's been a long time since I last saw her. I miss her so much.
Okay, so can we eat it now?
Not yet. As Lady Rococo's followers, we can't just do whatever we want. Everything must be done in accordance with Lady Rococo's wishes.
C'est-à-dire...
Rococo's wishes? So we have to wait for her to show up before digging in?
Or we have to adjust to her schedule to show our dedication to her at all times?
Je pense que c'est plus ça. De toute façon, elle est pas là.
Exactly! I swear you're like the poster child for the perfect fan. Dessert time is from noon to 1. Before that window, we can sit here and quietly appreciate the cake's beauty.
Encore une fois, vraiment une... Je trouve que son fan club est très simple, personnellement. J'aimerais vraiment faire partie. Alors, le gâteau.
Alright, dessert time! Feel free to dig in, you two. This is about to be the most delicious, unforgettable cake you'll ever have.
Pressing sweet out.
Don't mind if I do.
S'il n'y a pas de sucre, pas de matière grasse, ça doit être dégueulasse.
Hey, Nikki. I can't taste anything.
Ah, c'est pas l'ingrédient, c'est normal?
This cake. Where's the flavor? Wow, this cake is... It's truly special. Thank you for allowing us to try it.
It's Rococo's cake of choice. Of course it's special. Why did you stop eating? Oh, don't be shy. Have as much as your heart desires.
Thank you, but Momo and I need to keep in shape. Why don't you give the rest to her other fans? After all, sharing is caring.
That's right. Besides, hasn't Rococo been away for a long time? Why not let everyone share a piece of this incredibly delicious cake with our idol?
Oh, how generous. You two were truly born to follow Rococo. I'll share the rest
Nope.
with everyone else who's dying to see her on stage again.
Then we'll take our leave now.
Is it just me, or was that the weirdest cake you've ever had? It had no flavor. How's that even possible?
Ça, c'est qu'il n'y a pas de
I'm
sucre.
curious about it myself.
Ou alors c'est qu'on a vu qu'on est dans une autre
Did
dimension, c'est
Hadasushi not
bizarre, il n'y a pas de
taste it?
taste. De goût.
Or did she taste it, but find nothing strange about it? We must have missed something. I guess there's no point in dwelling on it. Let's report our findings to Labobo and figure out our next move.
Ok, ça je pense. On a fini un chapitre de la quête. Et moi j'avoue, ça commence à fatiguer là. J'ai envie de bailler toutes les 2 secondes. Donc on va s'arrêter pour la quête là tout de suite. Mais on va peut-être faire une petite tenue. Hop. Ok, la prochaine tenue sacrifiée. Toi. Parce que de toute façon, j'ai déjà enregistré dans l'atlas. C'est avec le chapeau là. En vrai, le chapeau. Oui. Le chapeau est sympa en vrai. Juste pas avec ma tenue. Qu'en vrai, pourquoi pas tenter de faire une tenue avec. Et pourquoi pas avec du coup la nouvelle couleur de cette jupe que j'aime trop. Parce que j'aimerais bien du coup avoir un côté idol avec. C'est quoi ça? Ah oui, c'est la tenue de 3 étoiles qu'ils nous ont offert la semaine dernière. Ah mais oui! Ah bah voilà! Mais non, mais on va prendre cette tenue. Est-ce qu'il y a un haut qui irait ou je prends le haut qui va avec? C'était pas un... Non, c'est pas là. Elle est où? Ah, là. Ah oui, on a le... C'est en blanc. Peut-être pas avec ce bas directement. Qu'est-ce qu'on pourrait avoir d'autre? Attends, on va quitter là. C'est sympa comme ça. Chaussures. Non. C'est sympa. Moi, je suis vraiment pas sûr du pantalon en fait. Celle on peut mettre des motifs. Ah oui, ça va de ouf, mec. Il n'y a pas les mêmes couleurs. Celle-ci, il y aurait... En fait, je trouve que cette casquette, elle donne un peu Y2K. Donc, et cette jupe aussi. J'adore. Il nous faudrait des chaussures un peu en mode plage. Ou juste ces baskets en vrai. Non. Hop. Non, ouais. Alors, en vrai, c'est un peu con parce que je sais que de base je stylise pour le chapeau, mais en vrai, j'aime vraiment pas le chapeau. Donc, hop là, on va l'enlever et on va juste partir sur un look. On va partir sur un look pop star, c'est tout. Hop. C'est pas fini. Teinture. Parce que je vais mettre la veste qui de base va avec la jupe. Elle est là. Donc là, je crois que le top s'il ira pas trop. Puis on changera. Ouais, non, pas là-dessus. Voilà, garder comme ça. Du coup, est-ce qu'il n'y a pas... Je monte ce top là. Bon, forcément lui, mais enfin, ce moment là en fait, c'est juste reprendre toute la tenue, donc ça sert pas à grand chose. Non. En vrai, comme ça, c'est sympa. Ensuite, on va juste le mettre de la même couleur que les autres. Hop. C'est con que je viens de payer pour avoir la peinture, mais je vais voir lui. Ouais non, j'aime bien. Hop, donc on met ça. Est-ce qu'on va avoir des chaussettes un peu sympas? Non. En vrai, ça, si on les colore, pourquoi pas. J'avais une idée en tête et je ne l'ai plus du tout. Ici, ah, il y a elle aussi en vrai, pourquoi pas. Mais non, je pensais à celle de la tenue. De la tenue de la forêt des fées, mais elle est où? Elles sont où? 4 étoiles, mais... Voilà. Non, pas cette fois. C'était pas eux, j'avais bien aimé. C'était eux. Ouais. J'aime bien le bas, mais je trouve que ça va pas avec la veste en fait. Non, je vais mettre cette petite chaussette blanche comme ça du coup. Hop, et un accessoire. Ah non, attends d'abord. Hop, on va changer la coupe de cheveux. Et tellement. On pourrait pas la mettre en rose aussi. Oh, c'est parfait. Ouais, nickel. J'aime trop. J'aime trop. J'aime trop. Hop, dans les cheveux, peut-être un petit chou. C'est mignon ça. Un petit nœud ou... Pourquoi ça va pas au bon endroit? Ouais, ça va bien, j'aime bien. Il y a beaucoup de chances qu'on va rien fois mettre dans cette catégorie. Non, je mettrai l'autre micro. Ouais, ça affectionne pas du tout avec leur tête. Ah, ouais, c'est ça. Ah, elles sont colorables maintenant, oui. On va les mettre dans la même couleur que les autres. Peut-être plus foncé. Niveau boucle d'oreille, je veux les pompons roses. Je pense pas qu'il y aura mieux que ça. Collier. En plus, oh là, il y a vraiment la place de mettre un joli collier. C'est sympa. Attends mince, mais je suis bête. Les boucles d'oreilles, ça peut pas être ça, c'est, j'avais dit, le micro. Hop. Ça... Bracelet, ça sert à rien, j'ai les... C'est pas un bracelet, hein, c'est sur les mains. Je voudrais les ongles là. C'est pas un accessoire. C'est pas sur les bagues non plus. C'est gants. Et ils sont... Ah. Parfait. Accessoire du visage, je pense pas. Non, du coup, on va pas mettre des boucles d'oreilles. Les lunettes. On en a sur le crâne. Ça, ça va bien avec la tenue, bien que ça clip. Ça va pas avec les trucs, le côté idol. Sac, non. Clip. On peut le mettre de la même couleur que le reste, est-ce que ça va bien ou pas? Je trouve que c'est trop foncé, on va le mettre plus clair. De l'autre côté il est beau comme ça, et je me dis qu'en vrai la jupe pourrait la foncer un peu. Non. Ouais, mieux comme ça en fait. Donc j'ai rien dit. Mais je trouve que ça va quand même, on va la garder. Hop. Dans le dos, ça. En vrai, je voulais... Ça va être sympa en vrai, mais ça n'ira pas, mais je me demandais si... Non, mais en fait ça va... Ça interagit mal avec la veste et je préfère la veste. Bague, bah du coup qu'on a les ongles, ça va pas avec. Ça on ne le verra pas. Bah, en vrai, on peut mettre des trucs, mais de toute façon... les objets dans les mains, ça marche jamais. Donc en plus avec cette veste, visiblement. Pourquoi c'est bugué comme ça? Hop. Niveau make-up. Alors, attends, pourquoi on est... Voilà. On va avoir un truc rose, mais est-ce qu'on prend plus ça, ou celui-ci? Donc on a un autre que j'ai pas pensé. Je vais dire peut-être... Non, toujours pas lui. Lui. Moi j'aime bien, on va prendre ça. Je pense en sourcil il y aura rien de mieux que ça avec la couleur de cheveux. On met les Chica fossiles. On va mettre ça. Et ça. Bon, j'ai pas du tout fait ce que j'avais prévu de base du coup, mais... Ouais non, le chouchou il est trop gros. En fait, vu que c'est un double, ça le fait énorme. Ça va pas avec, on va en trouver un autre. Je pense que j'allais chercher le blanc classique. On va mettre le blanc. Hop. Je vais prendre une photo. En vrai là c'est sympa. Hein. Je vais des XP là. Non, non. Je vais juste des XP là. Capacité parce que c'est... je sais pas la bonne tenue. Ouais, voilà. Je voudrais la nouvelle... Celle où elle monte les ongles là. Où elle lance avec ses mains. C'est ça. Mais non mais je sais, je trouve... Oh là là. On va faire ça. Ça va être 1000 fois mieux. Hop, bonus, on va prendre des... Toi. On va prendre la capacité de... Popstar qui... C'est pas une... comme... C'est pas une fantaisie? C'est une fantaisie. Oh non, ça va moche. Hyper longtemps que j'avais pas essayé cette capacité, je suis trop cute. Peut-être quand même prendre une photo sans du coup comme j'avais prévu. Et là si je me rappelle, ouais. Mais parfait. J'ai pas mis le filtre. Ah. Bon, c'était sympa, mais je pense que du coup on va se quitter là-dessus. Ça fait... Bah, ça va faire 2 heures que je suis en live. Et alors vous là, je suis claqué, j'en peux plus. Du coup, ben, je vous fais des gros bisous et salut!